Hey, pretty girl, you trying to scare Grandma? You trying to scare Grandma? Don't you be trying to scare Grandma? Don't you be... Huh? What? What sounds is that coming out of your mouth? You don't scare Grandma. Don't you scare Grandma? Don't you do that. Don't you do that. Don't you scare Grandma. You better not. You better not. Stop trying to scare Grandma. You 4-month-old. You just started that.
Yeah.
Yes, you did. What? What is that? What are you trying to say? Hey, little girl. That's not a beautiful sound. I want to hear the beautiful sounds that you be making. Let's hear you. That's not it. That's not it. That's not it, yo girl. What are you saying?